You did it. You built your MVP, you got your first subscribers, but running a business on basic tools like Zapier gets incredibly expensive when you scale from 20 users to 200 users. Every single automated task costs you money. To fix this and scale properly, we need two massive system upgrades. Upgrade number one, the front door. You cannot rely on a basic mobile app interface to close premium deals. You need a lightning-fast, highly optimized landing page. We are going to build a professional marketing engine using Swipe Pages. This tool creates ultra-fast mobile-first pages designed to do exactly one thing: force visitors to subscribe. When a premium client sees a highly professional user interface, they expect to pay premium prices. You are no longer selling a weekend side project, you are selling a professional enterprise solution. Upgrade number two, the brain transplant. To stop automation costs from destroying your profit margins, we are firing Zapier. We are replacing it with an advanced automation powerhouse called N8N. N8N allows you to build incredibly complex workflows. You can clean data, send personalized email sequences, and update massive databases for practically zero cost. By making this switch, we are not just adding customers, we are maximizing the profit margin. Your system is now generating $5,000 a month in recurring revenue, but your software operational costs are still under $50. That is a 99% profit margin. You have successfully transformed a simple idea into a systematic wealth machine. It runs on advanced servers, converts traffic automatically, and requires almost zero daily maintenance. You are making great money. But here's the secret of the ultra wealthy. They do not just live off monthly income, they build assets to sell them. In the next and final video of this series, I am going to show you exactly how to take this digital asset we just built, package it, and sell it to an investor for a massive $250,000 check. You do not want to miss the exit strategy. So hit subscribe, keep your napkin handy, and I will see you in the next breakdown.